Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Aries placement. So this is for the month of July. Sa July na ha. Okay, so ano bang meron? So kukuha tayo ng general kung ano man ang meron. And yeah, the person on your mind. Okay, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again, kung may tanong pagdating po sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items and charms. Okay, so ito sila. Again, so yes, we do have protection from evil eye. So meron tayong ring, bracelets. Okay, so pareho silang unisex po ha. And yung ating necklace. So yung necklace natin na evil eye protection. So yan siya. Okay, yeah, this is lahat sila ay unisex po ha. Okay, so non-tarnish po ito. Hypoallergenic. And yeah, yung ating bracelet na garterize. Ito yung garterize natin. Okay, ito naman yung adjustable. So ito yung merong initial. Okay, and syempre yung ating 2-in-1 for love and money. Okay, love and money bracelet. So meron siyang citrine stone. Okay, citrine po ha. Citrine is for money. Citrine is for abundance. Okay, so para siyang nagtatawag ng kaperahan. So pwede siya gamitin sa business mo, sa career, sa trabaho, kung ano man. Okay, so this is like pagtatawag. Okay, para siyang magnet. Para kumita ka, parang ganyan. Okay, for love naman, ibibigay niya yung para sa'yo. Okay, so if lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa isang red pouch. Okay, kung lalaki, babae ka, gusto mong hindi suot, pwede mong ilagay sa red pouch. Okay, ibulsa mo or ilagay mo sa bag mo. Okay, so again, I need your real name pagdating dito sa ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Sa lahat naman po. Okay, I need your real name ng pagbibigyan kung inyong ibibigay or ipangre-regalo. Okay, and syempre, yung ating granter necklace. So si granter is yung taga-grant po. Okay, araw-araw ko sasabihin, taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay, so kailangan yung protektahan yung mga minamanifest nyo para 100% buo yung mag-grant nya. Okay, and yes, pwede to sa visa, pwede yan sa makapasa sa exam, whatsoever, mga ganyang bagay, no? And ano pa ba? Kung ano man yung parang mga minamanifest ninyo in life, bahay, mga ganyan. Okay, makapag-migrate or whatsoever, travel, yan. Okay? And syempre, nagbibigay rin ito ng, sabihin nating, small, medium, large, na energy ng surprises. Okay? Weekly po ha. So, again, this is made to order, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic po. No, 2 years na to, itong aking granter. No, so, and yeah, yung ating cord cut, yung pangtanggal at pangtaboy. MALAS. Okay, so hindi ko sinasabi yon, ayoko magmamanifest yung salitang yon, kaya ganon. Anyway, so again, yun lang yung pinakasimpleng description nitong cord cut. Okay, pangtaboy alat, pangtaboy MALAS. Okay, tatanggalin nito yung mga nagbibigay din sa inyo ng ganon na energy. Anyway, kung may tanong pa, yeah, message na lang po ha sa akin pong FB page for more info. So Aries placements. So, anong meron for you ngayong July? Okay, for July. Okay, anong nag-aabang? Anong meron? Mensahe sa kabuuan ng buwan ng July for you, Aries? Let's see. Huwag masyadong, tawag dyan, madaliin, ha? Oo, so, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Let's see. 4 of Cups. 2 of Cups. Ooh. So, I think somebody will resurface a water sign. Okay? Meron dito magre-resurface ngayong July. Water sign could be. Okay? Kahit ano namang zodiac. This is a connection. This is a reconnection. Let's see. Ano tong Two of Cups? Yeah, the Four of Swords in reverse. May chance na ito ay pwedeng they owe you sabihin nating something like a message. I don't know. May chance kasi na pwedeng hindi kayo nag-uusap nitong taong to, and yeah, magre-resurface siya, magme-message siya bigla, something like that. Okay? Yeah, nawala to. Nagkaroon kayo ng break-up. So, may chance na may mag-end na no contact ngayong July with a water sign. We have here air and fire. So, para kang mapupunta sa crossroads, whether to welcome the energy or to reject the energy. Okay? Anyway, some of you may chance na mas malaki yung porsyento na i-drop nyo to. Yeah. So, what else? Eto Aries. Meron din ako nakikita rito na energy na parang merong lalagpas. In general, may lalagpas na energy na maganda. I don't know if this is talking about romantic or sa finance ba. Okay, I'm seeing here and I'm hearing here ng partnership or connection. Pwedeng may lumagpas kasi some of you, you're more focused pa rin doon sa past, I think. So, wag kayo masyadong mag-focus sa mga nakaraan na, sa mga nawala na. Bigyan yung pansin yung mga dumarating kasi may darating. Okay? So, there. What else? The Page of Pentacles in reversed. The Star in reversed. Yung iba sa inyo ito Ito kasi may dalawang energy Some of you hindi nyo na to hinihintay rin. Kung sino man itong hindi nyo hinihintay na mag-message sa inyo, sila yung magme-message. Pero kung sino man itong minamanifest ninyo na mag-message sa inyo, hindi sila yon. Okay? Hindi sila yon. Kung sino man yung minamanifest mo na mag-message sa'yo or mag-contact sa'yo or whatsoever, hindi sila yon. Ito yung taong parang hindi mo na ginugusto or parang nawawala na sa utak mo itong taong to. Okay? The Fool in reversed. Some of you, be careful kasi ang daming energy ng sabihin nating sayang. Okay? May tendency yung iba sa inyo may re-reject na travel ngayong July. Could be a work. Kasi hindi, sabihin natin, hindi kaya. Strength in reverse or parang hindi bibigyang pansin. This is a new energy, I think. It's like getting out of your comfort zone. So it's like frightening. Parang parang hindi ko kaya to whatsoever. This is new for me. So, may chance ng stability doon sa i-reject ninyo. So, be careful rejecting. Be careful what to reject or who's to reject. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, some of you, you're too guarded this July. What else? Okay, the Tower moment. The Tower moment for you. The Tower moment. What's with that Tower? Unexpected changes coming in, Aries. Okay, this is unexpected changes. Yeah, the Hangman in reverse. Merong mga mababago sa routine ng iba sa inyo. Okay, pwedeng meron kayong idadagdag sa routine or sa ginagawa ninyo everyday or meron kayong aalisin. Okay? Unexpected changes. Yeah, the Ten of Wands. Yeah, mahirap sa umpisa. Some of you, this could be in the workplace. Okay, in the workplace. Yeah, the Seven of Cups. Sabihin nating mas madami yung may idadagdag kayo sa araw-araw kung ano man. Okay? I don't know. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng magkakaroon kayo ng side hustles, something like that. Business, or sabihin natin small business. Parang ganyan. Sabihin natin, yung iba naman is, yeah, meron akong current job, pero papasok ako sa small business hanggat maaari magkakaroon ako ng other source of income, something like that. No, so that's new. Yeah, that's nice. The Two of Wands. Pero nandun nga yung parang pag-iisip. Pero I think this is like energy of execution. Parang okay, sige, I'll make this happen. Parang ganyan. Gagawin ko to. Okay? So there. Nice. So tayo tumungo na sa iyong person. Okay. Who is this person, Aries? Okay. Who is this person? A person on Aries' mind. Let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Big help ha. Yung inyong pag-comment, yung inyong pag-like dito sa video. Okay? So, yeah. Let's see. Who is this? Aries. Who is this person? The person on your mind. Who are they? The Two of Cups. Okay. Who is this Two of Cups? Anong meron? Some of you, you're feeling a strong connection with them. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Mutual. The feeling is mutual. What is their next action? Let's see. What is their next action? So, kung malaman agad kung anong next action niya. Judgment. I'm hearing a decision. Okay, a decision. Yeah, the King of Swords. This is nice. I think this is nice. Meron magiging upfront, meron ditong parang ilalaban, meron ditong magiging strong na sa connection. Okay? Yeah, the Magician. May magmamanifest na maganda sa inyo nitong taong to. Nakakonect mo. I think kakonect mo. Or kung hindi pa man, this could be somebody new na pwedeng, yes, makakakonect nyo this July. And yeah, kung sino man, may magmamanifest. Okay, some of you, meron kang love and money bracelet. Yeah, this is somebody who's manifesting. Okay, for me, yeah, there's this wrong and the right manifestation. So, right at wrong na pamamaraan ng manifestation. Pero pag meron ka nung love bracelet, yeah, simple lang. Hindi na para maging wrong. Okay? So, let's see. Ano bang emosyon ng taong to sa'yo? The Nine of Wands. And the Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands, diba? Magka-rhyme. Anyway, so their emotion is hindi nila hahayaan na parang magkaroon ng, andito yung energy ng itatry niya na maging seryoso. Okay? Or sabihin natin magiging seryoso sa'yo tong taong to. I-avoid niya yung playtime. I-avoid niya yung hindi magandang energy dito sa connection. The Seven of Swords is in the reverse. So, totally, meaning nito is pagiging upfront, walang sikreto, walang pagsisinungaling. Okay? This is nice. Okay? Some of you, ipaprioridad ka niya. The Four of Pentacles in reverse, the Emperor in reverse. May tendency nga na iisang tabi niya yung mga sabihin nating kailangan niyang gawin. Unahin ka lang. Okay? Some of you, this is a new person. Yeah, some of you, this is a new person. Kasi magmamanifest pa lang ngayong July. So, kung ikaw, guarded ka, hindi ko alam kung papasok sa'yo to. Okay? I don't know, like emotionally guarded. This is new, I think. Is this new? Is this new? Or a past person or current? Let's see. Anong energy ng taong to? The Eight of Swords. May chance na hindi mo pa kilala. Okay, may chance na hindi mo pa kilala. The Empress is here. The Empress, ang nakikita ko dito is pwedeng magkaroon ng long-term progress. This is nice. Diba nakita natin si Emperor kanina? So for me, there's this strong connection, okay, na pwedeng mangyari sa inyong dalawa. Sa connection or sa energy ninyo, magkiklik kayo. Hindi pa kayo nagkikita nito, I think. Hindi pa. Okay? So destined kayo ng taong to magkita ngayong July. I think so. Lalo na yung may mga love bracelet dyan. Yes. Okay? So, anong advice for you, Aries? Anong advice? The Hangman and the Temperance. Alam niyo sinabi ko kanina, umpisang-umpisa. Huwag mong madaliin. Huwag niyong madaliin. Ito yun. Huwag niyong hintayin. Huwag niyong madaliin. So, yung iba sa inyo, naniniwala na lang talaga sa okay, I'll just go with the flow. Lalo na yung iba nga sa inyo na okay, maniniwala ako kay love bracelet. So, ito na. Ito na. Siya ay darating na ngayong July para sa'yo. Kung sino man to, yes, I'm seeing forever. I'm seeing marriage. Anak. Okay, the Page of Swords. Nasa energy mo na to. Claim it. Kung sino man to. Kung sino man. Some of you, kung alam mong ito ay tinutukoy ay yung current or yung past mo, na meron kang love bracelet ngayon, I think magkakayos kayo ngayong July. Okay? You deserve this. You deserve this. I-lock natin. Samahan natin ng evil eye protection para hindi mausog ng iba. Diba? Ganun yun. Okay. So, hayaan muna natin ng ilang inilalak lang natin yung energy. Claim it. Good luck and congrats. Oo, dun sa may mga meron ng love bracelet dyan. Okay, so there. Tayo itumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Aries through Pisces. For you, Aries. Aries placements. Okay. So this is the zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Aries, open. Being open. Dating. Flirting. Taurus, they want to reach you out. Gemini, they miss you. Cancer, they need you. Leo, they're thinking of you. Some of them, they're thinking of you sexually. Virgo, they love you. Libra, they're walking away. Some of them, they're still holding on or they're like choosing to stay sa energy. Scorpio, too hot and cold. Okay? Too hot and cold. Sagittarius, they're waiting for you. Invested, focus. Capricorn, parang meron ng action na gagawin si Capricorn. Aquarius, inconsistent. Pisces, pinagdadamot ka ni Pisces. yeah, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, artist placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter, nasa description box below. Thank you. Goodbye.